Welcome back, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Wash your hands regularly, children. Help your parents. Whenever they call you for some help, you have to obey their words. Don't disturb your parents often. Okay, listen to them. Be calm with your brothers and sisters. Don't fight. Okay, children. Let us begin the class. In the previous class, we saw about nouns and types of nouns. I hope you all completed the activities which I gave you in the previous class. So today in this session, we are going to see some more activities. Before that, we are going to recap Divya and her family story. Are you all ready, children? Okay, let us begin the class. Divya and her family. Divya lives with her parents, her brother Arun and Cookie. Cookie is their pet dog. Salma lives with her mother. David lives with his grandparents. They all live with their family. Divya and her family moved to a new house. Divya wants her friends to see her new house. She wants her friends to come and play with her. Divya's friends come home for playtime. Divya is excited to show her friends her new home. Divya shows her friends the living room. Divya shows her friends the dining room. Divya shows them the kitchen. Shanti is helping Amma make samosas. Divya is excited to show her friends her new room. Divya is proud of her room. The walls are yellow. The curtains are violet. Divya has toy cars and dolls of all sizes. She has building blocks, big and small. She has storybooks full of color and beautiful pictures. Arun wants to show them his favorite place in his new home. The garden, full stop. It is a beautiful garden. There are mangoes on the tree. There are mangoes on the ground. There are mangoes everywhere. There is also a little house for the family pets. Divya, Arun, David, Salma and Cookie play hide and seek. Shh. Okay, children, I hope you all listen to the story and read through the video. I hope you all like this story, children. So, now from this story, I will ask you few questions. Are you all ready to answer? Okay. Before that, we will go off with the new words from this story. Okay, children? First one, parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. What is that? P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Next word, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Repeat with me, Kana. Next, M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Very good. G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Grandparents. Very good. Next, F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Next, E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. Next, playtime. P-L-A-Y. Play. T-I-M-E. Time. Play time. P-L-A-Y. Play. T-I-M-E. Time. Play time. Next word, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Next, living room. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. R-O-O-M. Room. Living room. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. R-O-O-M. Room. Living room. Next, dining room. D-I-N-I-N-G. Dining. R-O-O-M. Room. Dining room. D-I-N-I-N-G. Dining. R-O-O-M. Room. Dining room. Next, kitchen. K-I-T. Kit. C-H-E-N. Chen. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Next word, curtains. C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S. Curtains. C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S. Curtains. Next word, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Next, favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite. Next word, everywhere. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Everywhere. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Everywhere. Next word, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Shall we move to the next one? Now, the question answers, you have to answer these questions from the story. Okay, children? I will tell you how we have to write the answers. See, listen. Who is Cookie? That is the first one. See, I will write and show you in the single page for your better understanding. These questions I have written for you again. See, check. See, first question I have given. Take your Little Thinker book, page number 8. Okay, children? Take your Little Thinker book, page number 8, along with your story books. So, the first question, who is Cookie? Do you all know who is Cookie from the story? I'll show the page. You have to find the answer from this page. Who is Cookie? Cookie is their pet dog. Whose pet dog? Divya's family. Divya's pet dog. Very good. Cookie is Divya's pet dog. You can write like that. Okay, children. Very good. You can write the answers later. Now you listen to the questions and answers. Listen to the story. From the story you have to write the answers. Okay. Next. Second one. What does Divya, see the book kana. Second question. What does Divya want to show to her friends? Okay. You can find the answers from this page. For this story only, I will show you the page. Later on, I don't show you any pages. You have to find the answers from the story. Okay, children? Okay. So, what does Divya want to show to her friends? Yes, Divya wants her friends to see her new house. Okay, you can write. Divya wants her friends to show her new house. Okay, you can write like that. Next, you can write by yourself. If you commit mistakes also, no problem. You can write by yourself with the help of your parents. Okay, children? Just you are trying to write. Next. Third one, listen. What is Divya's mother making in the kitchen? What Mama is doing in the kitchen? Yes, Divya's mother is making samosas. For whom? Yes, Divya's mother is making samosas for her friends. Okay, children, you can write like that. Next, fourth question. What do you think is Divya's favorite room in her new house? What is Divya's favorite room? Kitchen? No. What is that room? Living place? No. What is this room? Oh, Divya's new room. So, whether she likes this room or not? Yes, Divya is excited to show her friends her new room. Divya is proud of her room. So, we come to know that Divya likes her new room. Okay, so Divya's favorite room is her bedroom or her room. Okay, children? Her private room, she likes that room very much. Okay, children? Next question. What is Arun's favorite place in his new house? Why do you think so? See, in the previous question also, why do you think so? They asked here, no? So, for this, you can write because Divya liked that room, or otherwise, what is your answer? You can give there. Okay. Divya's favorite room is her new room. What room is that? Maybe bedroom or some room. Okay. After writing that answer, you can write, I think because of the colorful walls. You can write like that. Whatever you think, you can write in your as your answers. Okay, children. See the fifth question. Same way. What is Arun's favorite place in his new house? Yes, Arun's favorite place. Garden. Very good. Why do you think so? That one also you have to write by yourself. Arun's favorite place is garden. Why he liked that place? Yes, that is a beautiful garden. Okay, you can write like that. He can play over there. Very good. So you can write like that. Whatever you think, you can write here as your answers. Okay, children? If you commit mistakes also, no problem. Okay, children. You have to complete all the 5 questions with the help of your parents. If you have any doubts, you can go through the story book and write your own answers. If you have any doubts, ask your parents. Okay, children. Next, we are going to see the next activity. I will read the title, page number 9 in Little Thinker book. See, write how each family member helps and supports you. So, here they have given each family member name, how they are helping you and how they are supporting you. You have to write each line in the given lines. Understand? So, with the help of your parents, you can complete this activity at your home. Okay, children? You don't do here right now. You can do later with the help of your parents. Just you have to write the lines. What is the help? Mother is helping you. How she supports you. You have to write that just. In a single line you can write. How father supports you. How grandma supports you. How grandpa supports you and helps you. Okay, children? You do this activity later. Next we are moving to the next page. Page number 10. My amazing book report. I am going to tell you just how to do this activity. You just listen to this and then do this activity. Okay. See, first read the given title of the book. So, what is the title of the book? Storybook. They have mentioned storybook. Title of the storybook. What is the title of the storybook? Yes, Divya and her family. You have to write in the first dash. Divya and her family. The story is about. The story is about. What you are thinking? Yes, the story is about Divya. You can write Divya. Next, something that I have learned from this story. So, what you have learned from this story, you have to write. Any 1 or 2 line is enough now. Okay, children? 1 or 2 line you can write, or a single word is also enough. So, what you learned from this story, you have to write here in this given space. Next, 3 new words that I have learned from this story. So, I have already shown the new words, right? So, you can write any new words. You can open the storybook and choose your favorite words or new words. What you want to write here, you can write. If you find any difficult words in the storybook, you can write that words also in this given 3 space. Okay, children? Only one word is enough, or else you can write many words which you find difficult. Okay, children? Next, I like this book because tick 1 or more boxes. Why you like this book? See, here they given it is colorful, it is about family, I like the pictures. So, you have to tick the boxes why you like this book. Okay, children? Next page. See, give another reason here. I like this book because instead of the 3 reasons, you have to give the other reason why you like this book, storybook. Understand? You can write in a single word is also enough, children. Next, in the given box, draw and color your favorite scene from the story. So, ma'am like to see your beautiful drawings in this given box. Okay, I will check and say whose box is very beautiful and colorful. Okay, children. Next, last line. I like this scene because whichever scene you like from the book, you can draw here. From the storybook, you are drawing, no? So, that scene, why you like. You have to write the reason here. Why you like that scene, particular scene, you have to write the reason here. You can write that is colorful. I like that picture because of Divya. You can write whatever reason you feel. So, you can write your answers here. Okay, children? Next, I would give this book. So, you can give the stars. Color the number of stars you would like to give to the book. Okay, children? So, this is the end of the story, Divya and her family. Complete this activity and then we will meet in the next class, children. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can go through this video once again. Ask help of your parents if you have any doubt. Okay, children. Bye. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.